Good morning, children. Today I am going to explain subtraction story sums. Okay, you have already learned the 4 sums. Okay, now today fifth one. Read the fifth sum. By how much is 18,935 less than 27,678? So 18,935 is less than 27,678. So how much less? What is the difference between these two numbers? Have you got the difference? If you subtract the smaller number from the biggest number, then you got the difference between these two numbers. First, write the numbers in proper order. 27,678, 18,935. Okay. Now, put the minus symbol and start subtraction. Okay. Now, always start from right side only. Okay. Start from right side means from ones digit. Okay. Now, 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 equal to how much? 8 minus 5 equal to 3. Next, 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 equal to 4. Next, 6 minus 9. Is it possible 6 minus 9? No. So, borrow from 7. Okay. Then 7 becomes 6. And then 6, this 6 becomes 16. Now, 16 minus 9. How much? 16 minus 9? Equal to 7. Then 6 minus 8. Is it possible 6 minus 8? No. Then 6 becomes what? Borrow from 2 first. Borrow from 2. Then 2 becomes 1. And this 6 becomes 16. Now 16 minus 8. How much? That is equal to 8. And the last one, 1 minus 1. Same number minus same number is always 0. So 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Okay. Now 8,743. The smaller number, how much less that number? 8,743. Okay, 18,935 is 8,743 less than the 27,678. Okay, children? And then sixth one. So, what should be added to 49,533 to get 1,50,000? So, which number you add to 49,000 to get 1 lakh? Okay. 49,533 plus which number you write there to got that 1,50,000? How you got? Okay, if you subtract 49,533 from 1,50,000, then you got the second number. Okay, start subtraction. First write the minus symbol and then start subtraction. Okay, from ones digit. So, here ones digit 0, tens digit 0, 100 digit 0 and 1000 digit also 0. Then borrow from 10,000 digit, that is 5. Then 5 becomes 4. And then next 0 becomes 10. Again you borrow from the 10. Then 10 becomes 9. And then this 0 becomes again 10. Again borrow. Then 10 becomes 9. And then 0 becomes 10. Again borrow. Then 10 becomes 9. And the last 0 becomes 10. Okay, children? Then start subtraction. Now 10 minus 3. How much 10 minus 3? That is equal to 7. Then next one, 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 equal to 6. Okay. Then next, 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 equal to 4. And then 9 minus 9. Same number minus same number is always 0. 9 minus 9 equal to 0. 4 minus 4. Here also same numbers. That is also 0. And the last one, 1. So, write 1 as usual, 1. So 1,467,000. If you add this number to 49,533, then you got the 1,50,000. Okay, children? Write the numbers in proper order. Don't start from lakh digit. Start from 10,000 digit. Next number, okay? 49,000. So, start from 10,000 digit. Okay? And then, seventh one. What should be subtracted from 3,56,435 to get 2,38,852? What should be subtracted from? From means first write that number. 3,56,435 minus which number you subtract? Then the answer is 2,38,852. So for this I will give one example. See here, 20 minus, which number you write there to got 12? 20 minus, which number you subtract from 20 to got 12? Yes, that is 8. If it is the smaller number, it is easy to identify that number. Okay. How you got that 8? If you subtract 12 from 20, means 20 minus 12. 20 minus 12, that is equal to 8. Okay. So, 20 minus 8 equal to 12. Okay. Then, biggest number minus smallest number. So, 20 minus 12. So, here also 3,56,435 minus 2,38,852. Write the numbers in proper order. And then, put minus symbol and start subtraction from one's digit. Okay, from what is that number last one? 5. Then 5 minus 2, that is equal to 3. Next one, 3 minus 5. Is it possible 3 minus 5? No. Then borrow from 4. Then 4 becomes 3 and then this 3 becomes 13. Now 13 minus 5. How much? 13 minus 5 equal to 8. Then 3 minus 8. Is it possible 3 minus 8? No. Then 3 borrow from 6. Then 6 becomes 5. 6 becomes 5. And then 3 becomes 13. Now 13 minus 8. How much? That is 5. Then 5 minus 8. Is it possible 5 minus 8? No. Then borrow from next 5. Then 5 becomes 4 and then this 5 becomes 15. Now 15 minus 8. How much? 15 minus 8 equal to 7. And then 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. How much? Easy. Okay, how much? Yes, 1. 4 minus 3 equal to 1. And 3 minus 2 also 1. So, 1,17,583. If you subtract this number, then you got the next number. Okay. Then, 8th one. The sum of two numbers is 98,375. If one of them is 39,586, find the other number. Okay. Write first 39,586 plus which number you add to that number to got the 98,375. So, I will give one example here. 10 plus which number you add to 10 to got 15? 10 plus dash equal to 15. Which number you write there? Yes, 5. How you got the 5? If you subtract 15 minus 10 means 10 from 15. Okay, 15 minus 10. Then that is equal to 5. Biggest number minus one of the smallest number. Then you got the answer. Okay. 10 plus 5 equal to 15. Okay. Now write the number statements first. Sum of the two numbers equal to 98,375 and one of the number 39,586. Then start subtraction. Okay. Write the minus symbol and start subtraction from right side, last digit. 5 minus 6. Is it possible 5 minus 6? No. So borrow from 7. 7 becomes 6 and this 5 becomes 15. Now 15 minus 6. How much 15 minus 6? That is equal to 9. And then 6 minus 8. Is it possible 6 minus 8? No. Then borrow from 3. Then this 3 becomes 2 and then 6 becomes 16. Now 16 minus 8. Is it possible? Yes, possible. Now 16 minus 8. How much? That is 8. Now 2 minus 5. Is it possible 2 minus 5? No. Then borrow from 8. Then 8 becomes 7 and 2 becomes 12. Then 12 minus 5. How much? 12 minus 5 equal to 7. And then 7 minus 9. Is it possible 7 minus 9? No. Then borrow from 9. Then 9 becomes 8 and 7 becomes 17. Now 17 minus 9. That is equal to 8. Then last one 8 minus 3. How much? 5. Now what is that number you got? That is the second number. Second number equal to 58,789. If you add this number to 39,586, then you got the 98,375. And then ninth one, this is the last one also, 9 sum. The difference of two numbers is 86,852. If the greater number is 3,50,000, find the smaller number. Means biggest number minus smallest number equal to 86,852. What is that smaller number? Means 3,50,000 minus which number? Then you got the, what is the smaller number? Then you got the 86,852. See here also I'll give one example. 9 minus dash equal to 5. 9 minus, which number you subtract from 9 to got 5? Which number? 9 minus, yes, that is 4. 9 minus 4 equal to 5. How you got 5? If you subtract 5 from 9, means 9 minus 5. Okay, see that number minus this number. Okay, 9 minus 5. There only numbers are there. Just moving. 9 minus 5 equal to 4. Like that only 9 minus 5 equal to 4. Okay. So here also biggest number minus. So what is the answer? That is, if you subtract there, then you got the smaller number. First write the numbers in proper order. First write second number equal to, how you got the second number? 3,50,000 minus 86,852. Then you got the second number. Write the numbers in proper order. 3,50,000 and 86,852. Then start subtraction. Okay. Now here also ones, tens, hundred, thousands or zeros are there. Then borrow from 10,000 digit, that is 5. Then borrow from 5. Then 5 becomes 4. And then 0 becomes 10. Again borrow from 10. Then 10 becomes 9. And this 0 becomes 10. Again borrow from 10. 10 becomes 9. And then 0 becomes 10. Again borrow. 10 becomes 9. And the last 0 becomes 10. Then start subtraction. 10 minus 2 from right side. Okay, don't forget that. 10 minus 2, that is 8. And then 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 equal to 4. And 9 minus 8. 9 minus 8 how much? Yes, 1. 9 minus 8 equal to 1. Then 9 minus 6. How much 9 minus 6? That is equal to 3. And then 4 minus 8. Is it possible 4 minus 8? No. Then borrow from 3. Then 3 becomes 2. And then 4 becomes 14. Now 14 minus 8. 14 minus 8 equal to 6. Then last one 2 as usual 2. Then 2,63,148. If you subtract 2,63,148 from 3,50,000, then you got the 86,852. Okay children, practice the sum. Okay, more times you practice it, borrowing, correctly write the numbers in proper order. After that start subtraction. Okay.